Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìgbàgbọ́ sóhun mi ló jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babu Winje. And if today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour, I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070 37 42 25 52, or you message me on WhatsApp 090 5333 2747. In today's video, I want to quickly show you one powerful leaf that can destroy any marine power, any ogbanje power casted on you. Or you believe that maybe your wife or your husband or any of your relative is using marine power over you, and you want to get rid of marine power. My brother, my sister, this leaf that I'm holding is very, very powerful to destroy any marine power casted on you. You understand? This is the leaf I'm talking about. In Yoruba language, we call this leaf ewe okparun. But in English language, they call it bamboo leaf. How are you going to use this bamboo leaf to get rid of marine power casted on you? There's one back. We call it ekwobo in Yoruba language, or ant witchcraft back in English language. If you check my previous video, my short video, I've already discussed this, how to use it. Are you with me? There are different ways to use this bamboo leaf. I think you are with me. So the one I want to discuss with you is different from the one I uploaded. You need bamboo leaf and you need a live snail, a ekwobo, and soap. This bamboo leaf, you are going to powder it, mix it with a ekwobo and witchcraft back, mix it together, then mix soap with it. You are not going to use water to mix it. The live snail, you are going to break the bottom of the live snail, get the water from the snail and use it to mix the soap. Then after that, the work the work has done. My brother, my sister, anytime you want to bathe this soap, bathe it with either warm water or cold water, most especially in the night before you sleep. If there is any marine power casted on you, or you have marine power, you have someone with marine power disturbing your life, or your ex-wife, your ex-girlfriend, because she don't want to forgive you, and she want to use all her power to destroy you spiritually. Whenever you are using this, God will remove your name from her list or his list. Are you with me? That is how to do it. Anytime. Women can also use it. Men can also use it. And for women, if you're in your period, please, you better stay away from this soap. Don't use it. Very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow this simple instruction. That is how to do it. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kó ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lóní gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n iná ń ṣe mọ́. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa.